Feed yourself some of your food, Diane. Use your spoon. Good girl. Put your spoon in. Feed yourself a little. Put in your mouth. Good girl. Put it in your mouth. Good job. Get some more. Good girl. Put on the cover. Good girl. Good dancing. And where's Elmo? There he is. Squeeze his nose. Mwah. You want to give him a kiss? Good girl. Elmo. Honk. Honk. Honk your nose. Honk. Honk. Honk Elmo's nose. Honk Elmo's nose. Honk.
You should have this on tape. That'd be a great video.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Noah.